I had my heart broken. I want to cry. I want to eat ice cream. I hate him and I want to burn down his car. By the end of this video, I'll be able to give you something that you can do to actually feel better and to feel a bit relieved, as much as someone can feel relieved in your kind of circumstances. And I know this is an extremely painful time for you. Hi, my name is Ieva. Welcome to my channel. Make sure that you subscribe for the best dating and relationship advice. Today I want to share something with you that I think is extremely helpful. You might actually even want to take pen and paper and take the notes down. I want you to write a letter to that person that has broken your heart, that caused you this massive heartbreak, that person that absolutely crushed you, and you just feel like, oh my God, I don't know if I'll ever be able to fall in love again. Now this letter, it is just for you, because healing is just for you. It doesn't matter, you know, what he does, it doesn't matter what she does. These things don't matter at all, it's all for you. This letter will consist of 3 different parts. And I want you to write that letter in a way as if you speaking to that person. So I'm speaking to John, I'm speaking to Katie, you know, I'm speaking to you, I'm speaking to that person. So in the first paragraph, you acknowledge everything good. And I want you to thank that person for everything. So I thank you so much for introducing me to Woody Allen movies. I thank you so much for introducing me to pistachio, I never know how to pronounce this, ice cream. Thank you so much for going with me on the most amazing holiday. Thank you for showing me that I'm able to love this much. Thank you for showing me how to ice skate. Thank you for showing me how to make that perfect cup of tea. Thank you for showing me how to drive a car. And I know this might feel like, why would I do that? I hate him and I want to burn down his car, but please bear with me. Now, in the second paragraph, I want you to express everything that you can think of that this person did that really hurt you. It really hurt me when I found out that you were cheating on me. It really hurt me when I found out that you were hiding me from your friends. It really hurt me when I found out that you were sleeping with other people. I hope that you are not watching this video because you tried and applied something that I shared in my last week's video, where I told you the signs that you might be his side chick or the other woman that he's seeing. If you are here because you tried that and you actually realize that you are his side woman, on the one hand, I'm really happy for you. On the other hand, I feel you and I'm really sorry that this happened to you. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, then make sure you watch that video. I'll link it in the description and also I'll share it here. Part number 3, you want to acknowledge that you forgive. And you don't forgive just that person that really hurt you, but you also forgive yourself, because I know when the heartbreak happens, what happens, you might be blaming yourself, because I remember it happened to me that I was blaming myself a lot, you know, why was I so stupid? Why didn't I see those warning signs? Why didn't I respect myself a bit more? So I want you to really forgive yourself for those things and forgive that person that did that to you. What do you do next with this letter? So you want to go to a special place, somewhere you know that you feel peaceful, very calm. So maybe it's a park, maybe it's somewhere by the water, maybe it's just your favorite coffee shop, maybe it's your bedroom or your kitchen, your garden, somewhere where you feel like really peaceful, really at ease. Read that letter through and really feel it when you're reading this. I really want you to, you know, take that moment and to Really feel every word that you put there. And then I want you to rip that down in small little pieces, or burn it if you want to be more dramatic, and just let it flow. So what happens when you write things down is you put them into a different universe. You put them a bit off your shoulders. And I know now it might feel like,
you are stupid, this stupid woman on YouTube is telling me to do this stuff.
Please, just do that and see what happens. Maybe just write the first part of the letter, the second part of the letter, but it's gonna help you so much, I promise you. And the next thing what I want you to do, I want you to go to my book website, whyamistillsinglebook.com, and I want you to scroll all the way down, and you will see one of the free bonuses, the words of love. Read it through very carefully and do the affirmations that are there. That's gonna be so helpful, and you'll get the most amazing results, and you'll be able to heal. Maybe you are thinking, why does this always happen to me? Make sure that you check out my series, Why He Disappears and Why Do You Keep Attracting Unavailable Men, and make sure that you subscribe and give a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks so much for watching, and always remember that you are worthy of love.